Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create workflow in Clickup. So first thing that you will do is simply go to one of your space guys on the left side of the screen. And if you don't have a space, you can just simply click on this plus icon over here. And now once you have a space, just simply click on this plus icon on your space. And after that, you should have over here from template. So click on this from template. And now guys, just simply go ahead and search for templates over here, which is workflow. And pretty much you can search anything based on what purpose you will use it to. And on the left side, you will have here multiple template type. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And as you can see, we have one over here, which is social media strategy workflow. So you can just simply click on quick use over here. And after that, just simply wait for the ClickUp to create the template for you. You should be able to create a workflow in the ClickUp and just simply change the template based on what project you are going to do. And as you can see, we already have a pre-made task. So on the top over here, you should have a specific view. So pretty much this is all the same. It's just it changes the view. So I recommend going for the board. Over here on the board, as you can see, we have multiple steps. So just simply click on it. And from here, you can just simply, of course, change it based on the project that you are going to do. And once you have changed it, as you can see, you can just simply click and drag it. And you will have it on the next bar. So from here, you will have multiple bars. And you can just simply double click on it. And you can just simply click on the three dots and you can rename it based on your own preference. And if you want to add another group, you can just simply click on add group over here. And you should be able to have a workflow. There you go. See ya.